Wisconsin snow. Wisconsin snow. Just wanted to show y'all real quick. It's wintertime. It's wintertime here. Hello, welcome back to another video. I got some unboxing here. I got this, my sister, look, I got another sister. I ordered her a bag and she don't like it, so she sent it back. And I think I got this from Suds What, and this is from Hello Princess. So I'll leave the links to my friends' channels below, so make sure you check them out. And let's get into the unboxing. So let's get right into it. I'm a little late opening my boxes because I was in Wisconsin for Valentine's Day. I was hanging out with my boo. So anyhow, I got some packages. I'm sorry for being late opening them, but I'm opening them now. So let's see what your girl got. Oh, look at this. Robin cookie. Ooh. And it's one of these on the front of the envelope, but because our addresses is showing, I'm not going to show you. Look at this. Wow. So cute. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is too darling. Cute. Oh, look at all this cuteness in here. Oh, so excited. Okay, listen, my sister is visiting and she's here. So if you hear her call my name, asking me what I'm doing, I just seen her walk by the window and I was trying to do this earlier, but I was disturbed. So anyway, look at these little heart petals. Oh my goodness, too cute. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. Ooh, masterpiece milk chocolate, caramel lion of Belgium. Ooh, girl. Yes, yes. Okay, look at this. Oh, cute. Look at this. Little makeup palette. I don't know if you guys can see me. Can you guys see my little ponytail I got on the side here? Oh, it's so cute. Thank you. Oh, and more Oh, look at this. Oh, nice. I've been wanting to try one of these. Oh, here they come. Here they come. So if I cut off and I have to come back, you'll know. Oh, look at this. Oh, cute. Oh, Hello Kitty chocolate marshmallow. Ah. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Thank you, girl. Thank you so much. All right, let's get into the box. Oh my goodness. What's in here? She's been here visiting for a week, so I haven't really had time to make any videos because you will find out in some of my shorts, she's constantly talking, y'all, all the time. Look at this. Okay. Oh, I didn't think this was this big. Oh, wow. What is this? Oh, she didn't like it. She said it was too big. Oh, look at this. What is it called? Midnight Blue. Midnight Blue. It must be a wristlet. Look at the inside. Oh, this has like a little card pocket and a zipper. Oh, wow, you could probably wear this all by itself. Oh, cute. And then here's the bag, Midnight Blue. It's a crossbody. She didn't like it. She said it was too firm. So I was like, okay, send it back. And I love blue, so this is perfect for you, girl. So, okay. Okay, let's see what this is. What did I do with mine? Oh, look at this. Oh, Doormat, you look good. Gray striped tea towel. Oh, wow, thank you. Oh, look at that. So nice. Oh, cool. Oh, cute. Oh, thank you. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is cute. Oh, look at that, you guys. Oh, thank you, Saswa. Oh, my goodness, it's too cute. Oh, this is nice. You could do little feet wipe. Oh, thank you so much. So, yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Peace out. Deuces. Adios. Look at my ponytail. It's just the cutest. My little pair of shirts. Oh, my cute. All right, peace out. See y'all later. What's up? What's up? Look at your girl. Your girl got on the hat and a coat. And if you can see, it's snow in the background. Your girl is in Wisconsin. And, yeah, it's snow. And it's snowing. Look at this. Can y'all see? Let me show y'all. Snow! Look at my hat though, it's cute. Let me show y'all my outfit. I got on some boots. Some leggings, and a sweatshirt dress by H&M. All right, peace out.